Welcome to this channel, traders, and a warm welcome to all my subscribers. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to win any funded account. So if you are trading a funded account, this video is for you. And of course, if you are trading a personal account, you can still apply this strategy. So I'll show you the strategy, and then I'll show you the most important things when trading a funded account. For me, I have a funded account on TFF, the Forex Funder. They provide a 95% profit share. So I thought I should try it out. Okay, 95% is a whole lot, traders. So I bought the account 3 days ago and I've been trading it. Let me just show you. Okay, so let me show you this. These are the trades I've been placing. Every time you take a trade, it's so transparent. It shows everything. Okay, as you can see, I've been trading this for 3 days. Okay, my win rate so far is 100%, so I'm quite good at this. So far my profit is 594. Let me show you from my phone. These are the trades that I have been taking. Today I took these trades. Okay, if I say last week, these are the trades I have taken so far. Okay, and this graph shows my progress. I'm going to win this thing and then I'm going to test out the withdrawal, but so far everything is smooth, everything is great. So another good thing about this prop firm is that they give free trials, maximum 2 free trials per month. Okay, when you buy a funded account, always focus on the daily drawdown. Okay, that's one of the most important things, because once you lose or once you reach your daily drawdown, very likely you are going to lose that account. So this daily drawdown is very important. I know that most people like to focus on the profit share. Okay, the profit share is not important if you are going to lose the account. Let me show you why you need to focus on that daily drawdown. Let's say your account is like mine, is a 100k account, and the daily drawdown is 5%. Okay, now 5% of 100k is it 5,000? Okay, let's say it's 5k. Now this is the figure that you need to know before you start trading that funded account after buying it. Okay, so that the very first day you start trading this account, you know that you are trading a 5,000 account. Don't focus on this. Don't focus on this. This is just for leverage. And most of the time, the leverage is what gets us in trouble, because it allows you to place a big risk and then you quickly wipe this account. Okay, this daily drawdown. Okay, so always make sure that your focus is on the 5k, which is your daily drawdown. Okay, in other words, in my opinion, I usually look at this 5k as the main balance that I have. This then affects your lot size and the number of trades that you take. Okay, so if your account balance is 5k, your lot size is when I was still teaching these things, I used to say that you divide your account balance by 10,000. As to where I get this 10,000, it's a long story. Let's just do that. If you say 5,000 divide by 10,000, you get 0.5. So your lot size for this 5k is 0.5. Okay, so if you use 0.5 lot size, you are risking between 1 to 4% of your account. Of course, if you want to increase the risk, you can use a maximum of 1 as your lot size. Okay, so you can use 1 as your lot size on this 100k account. Okay, knowing that you are not trading the 100k, but you are trading the 5,000, which is hidden in this 100k. I hope it makes sense, traders. This whole mathematics thing is what will make you not to lose the account. For the strategy, remember that if you use this lot size of 1 or of 0.5, you can take even up to let's say 80 losing trades without hitting your daily drawdown. Having a lot of chances to trade this account gives you a good chance to trade strategies like this one. Okay, let's say you are new. This is GBP USD 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this is a sessions indicator. Let's say whenever a session begins, you mark the first candle of that session. Okay, let me just take it from here. Okay, let's say whenever a session begins, what you do is you mark the first candle on that session. Right now I'm looking at this Sydney session. Mark the first candle. If price closes above, you take a buy. If it closes below, you take a sell. So right here it clearly closed below there. You could have taken a sell, and then you place 1 or 2 trades using the right risk, okay, which is lot 1 for the example that we're using for the 100k account, 1 or 0.5. Let's say you lose this trade, okay, you wait for another session to begin. You have Tokyo, which began there, okay, and then on Tokyo you're going to start with 2 or 3 trades, so you are increasing a risk, your risk. So there it was a buy trade, you bought, it was in profit. Maybe you could have closed 1 or 2 trades, but clearly it didn't move that much, so you lost, didn't make that much profit. Again, you wait for London to begin, you increase your risk again. This time you take about 5 trades. Okay, remember you have a lot of chances of about 80 trades. Okay, so price closes below there, you sell, you recover your losses. Okay, let's take it a step further, and I want you to go and try this thing out, traders. So New York began, okay, after winning here you start afresh from small trades, 1 or 2 trades. Okay, we can say it was a buy and then it took you out. Okay, so you wait for another session to begin. What do? You increase your risk, you take 3 or 4 trades. Okay, it's a sell, being a sell, you sell there, you recover your losses. Okay, and then after recovering your losses, I'm sure you could be holding even into this session because you would still be in profit. Otherwise, if this was a lose, you could have entered here on Tokyo, but it was in profit. So you wait for another session to begin. This is London. What you do on London, you mark the first candle, okay, and then price closed above. After winning here, you go back to step 1, which is entering 1 or 2 trades. So on London you could have made it, okay, and then after making it on London, you maintain taking a low risk. New York price closed below and then it took you out. So right now you could be waiting for the next session to begin so that you increase your risk. Once you do this, having applied the right lot size, you will never hit your daily target and you will always remain above. You will see this account growing and growing until you win this thing. Okay, so I'm going to come back again and show you more ways of winning this. Okay, but this is the easiest. You can just do so. Thank you for watching. Much love.